What if the future did not arrive suddenly because it had already been shown to us? Not through secret files, warnings, or expert briefings, but hidden inside a cartoon most people never took seriously. For decades, The Simpsons was dismissed as harmless comedy, satire, and coincidence. Yet, as 2026 draws closer, some scenes no longer feel exaggerated. They feel specific, familiar, and deeply unsettling. A world where distance disappears, where belief becomes exclusive, where fallen powers rise again under familiar symbols, and where punishment is no longer private but turned into public spectacle cheered by crowds. These moments were written as jokes, yet they continue to mirror the path our world is taking. Springfield does not predict exact dates, it reveals patterns. It shows what happens when technology outruns ethics, when power reshapes belief, and when control becomes entertainment. Tonight, we are connecting hidden signals and uncovering frames you may have missed. Like the video and subscribe now. The final prophecy does not end quietly, it ends with the crowd cheering while the boot comes down. Season 23, Episode 9, Holidays of Future Past. The Simpsons arrive at the Heathrow Teleport Department, a sleek, futuristic station where people step in and vanish, reappearing instantly at their destination. Pregnant Maggie is denied access and forced onto a filthy, outdated airplane no one uses anymore. Aired in 2011, the episode now reads like a blueprint for the near future. By 2025, quantum teleportation broke records over 1,400 kilometers, and Boeing invested heavily in matter transport startups. Airlines reported mysterious passenger drops that hinted at technology quietly changing the way we move. The gleaming teleport booth hints at 2026 travel, where stepping in could instantly deliver anyone across the globe, erasing distance entirely. The dusty airplane once carrying Maggie may soon vanish from the skies entirely. When teleportation becomes reality, who will decide who is allowed to travel? If restrictions apply to pregnant women, what other limits might emerge? This glimpse of the future was hidden in plain sight, and 2026 is closer than we realize, waiting to turn fiction into reality. Season 26, Episode 1, Clown in the Dumps. A heavenly orchestra plays as the scene unfolds, revealing a VIP section and an even more exclusive Super VIP section. Jesus Christ sits in the Super VIP area, casually turning water into a Bloody Mary for Rodney Dangerfield, a gesture that blends the divine with the absurd. Aired in 2014, this moment now resonates with the world we are approaching. By 2025, megachurches launch tiered VIP heaven experiences, AI afterlife simulations sold premium access, and viral visions of celebrity heavens reached billions online. Jesus, in the ultra-exclusive box, is no longer just a joke. It is a glimpse into 2026 faith, where even salvation has tiers and access is restricted. When heaven has a velvet rope, who receives the Super VIP pass, and who is left outside the gate. The episode transforms from satire into a chilling reflection on a world where spirituality, privilege, and control collide, and it warns of the society we may soon recognize as real. Season 9, Episode 19, Simpsons Tied. During a UN meeting, a delegate declares, "The Soviet Union lives!" The flag instantly changes back to the hammer and sickle, and Lenin bursts from his tomb shouting,
"Must crush capitalism."
Aired in 1998, the episode now reads like a warning rather than comedy. By 2025, Russia readopted Soviet symbols in parades, USSR-2 memes went viral, and Eastern Bloc nations quietly realigned their alliances. The UN delegate's smirk suddenly seems prophetic, hinting at 2026 geopolitics where old powers awaken, ambitious and hungry. What once seemed absurd, the resurrection of a fallen empire, is now mirrored in real-world events. showing how history can repeat itself in unexpected forms. When the red flag flies again, who will salute? If capitalism falters, will the world even notice the walls rising around it or the whispers of a new order taking shape? The episode is no longer just satire. It is a chilling glimpse at how power, politics, and ideology could reshape our near future. And it forces us to question what lessons we missed while laughing decades ago. And the next prediction is the one they have never revealed because it exposes who really controls you. Season 6, Episode 16, Bart versus Australia. Bart offends the country, and his punishment is a public spanking with a massive boot wielded by a person meant to strike him in front of a cheering stadium crowd. Homer intervenes, stealing the boot and warning the Prime Minister before it lands, turning the scene into a tense clash of authority and chaos. Aired in 1995, this absurd moment now reads like a dark prophecy. By 2025, viral public shaming laws appeared in some nations, drones were tested for punishment, and spectacles of control became global headlines. The boot represents a chilling vision of 2026 justice, public and inescapable, where rules are enforced for all to see. What once seemed comedic now mirrors a world where control becomes entertainment and punishment is no longer private. Who decides the rules and who watches from the crowd? This episode is no longer simple satire. It warns about power, control, and the consequences of turning law into spectacle. What if a cartoon knew secrets we weren't ready to see? Springfield predicted teleportation, replacing airplanes, Jesus as a super VIP, the Soviet Union rising again, and a boot ready to strike justice in the crowd. Was it all satire? Or is there a hidden warning buried in every frame? Maybe The Simpsons isn't just imagining the future. Maybe it is daring us to change it before it is too late. This is the clip YouTube doesn't want you to watch, so share it with anyone who still thinks it's just a cartoon. If you are still here, you are awake. Smash that like button, share this video, and comment to join the Truth Seekers. Which prediction chills you the most? Drop it below and tell us what Simpsons secret we should decode next. Springfield secrets are out, and the question is, will you notice before 2026 arrives? The truth is hidden in the frames. Start looking. Until next time, keep watching the skies.